cartoons.
Howdy, son. Wanted, Caribou Lou, for everything. The cranial and cerebral characteristics indicate he's a dangerous criminal type, son. But I'll bring him in. We Mounties always get our man. Caribou Lou! Yes, you. You're under arrest. Halt, or I fire. Pardon me, sir. Have you seen that notorious criminal, Caribou Lou? He goes that way. Well, thank you, sir. We Mounties are prepared for any emergency. Watch. Excuse me, sir, but have you seen Caribou Lou around here? He goes that way. Oh, thank you, sir. Caribou Lou. I'll give you 3 to get out of that hole. 1, 2, move. Now. Excuse me, sir, but have you seen Caribou Lou around here?
Monsieur, I am a busy man. For the last time, he goes that way.
Oh, thank you, sir.
I will go to Gay Paris, drink champagne with Marie, buy this sport car for Coquette, study art with Antoinette. My dream, she has gone.
We Mounties always get our man.